Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a nice short video just demonstrating how I braid. Now, I use the same technique when I braid my hair and when I braid my daughter's hair. I direct this video for beginners, anyone who doesn't know how to braid and would like to learn a nice easy way of doing it. If you do like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I like to make sure that I section off the hair that I'm braiding. I put up what I am not using, as you guys can see. I detangle the section I am braiding. I use a brush to make sure I slick it down. Now, my daughter does have product in her hair, so I suggest adding product before you braid it. Okay, so you want to make sure that you take that section and you split it into 3 parts. Section 1 is to the far left, section 2 is in the middle, and then section 3 is to the far right. You want to make sure that you have a good grip, so move closer to the root like I am. So to start, you take section 3, which is to the far right, and you move that towards the middle, adjusting your grip as you go. Okay, and then you take section 1, which was to the far left, and you move that towards the middle, adjusting your grip. And then you take section 2, which was to the far right, and you move that to the middle. This is your braid right here, okay? I can't believe my little one just poked her. She's okay though, don't worry. Now, a lot of people do things differently here. They pick up as they go and they continue braiding, but I actually stop and add hair to each section. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not grabbing hair in a straight line, and I'm actually doing bigger parts than I normally do. But back to the tutorial. As you saw, I added hair to the middle section, and now I'm grabbing the section to the far left and I'm moving that towards the middle, and then moving the section to the far right towards the middle as well. That secures the braid. Now, it was so hard doing this tutorial because she kept moving, as you guys can see. Now, I added the section to the far right towards the middle, and now I'm going to pick up more hair. Always maintaining a grip on all of your strands with your right hand or your left hand. So I'm taking the section to the far left and I'm adding that towards the middle. And I'm taking my strand to the right and I'm moving that towards the middle. And now I am adding more hair. You can add bigger chunks of hair if you want to go for a thicker braid, or you can add smaller sections of hair if you're going for something a little neater and smaller. So you take the section to the left and you move that towards the middle, and then you take the section to the right and move that towards the middle. And you go and you add more hair. Now, it will take time. It took me a very long time to be able to master this technique. So practice is everything. Okay, so as you guys can see, I grabbed another section of hair and I added that towards the middle, like so. And to secure that braid, I move the section to the far left to the middle, and then I take the section to the far right towards the middle. And I'm going to pinch that, holding it down, because that is the section that I will add hair to. So I'm going to show this technique 2 more times. So I unpinched that section and added the hair in, as you guys can see, and then I take my section to the left and move that towards the middle, and then my section to the right and move that towards the middle, securing that braid. And then now I will add more hair. To secure that section, I am just taking the section to the far left and moving that towards the middle, and then the section to the far right and moving that towards the middle, and then you continue braiding. So this technique does not limit how I braid. I braid in a lot of different directions. I do a lot of different hairstyles, and you guys will see that in future tutorials. But this is just a tutorial to help somebody get started. There's plenty of tutorials out there, but I wanted to show you what works for me and my daughters. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.